Hey guys, hi and welcome back. In this video we are done with the first part of the grid system. Let's move to the next one. Here we have tested this before. We didn't test this before. So here we will start with this one. Here we will go to the code now. Okay. So here I have after all of that I can type dev with a class of container, dev with a class of row. Okay, let's start first with dev with a class of column of I can copy all of that and paste it for this one, and again for the same column. Let's see what we have here. Okay, I just need to add a margin. So here, style margin bottom of 200 pixels. We got a problem. So I will cancel that. Do not save. Okay. Here, style margin bottom of 200 pixels. Okay. Now we have two columns. Let's make it column small. Column here, okay. Small in here, small. No difference, right? Okay, let's make this into 4. Now we can see the difference, right? This is smaller now. What if I make it 1? We have just one small column. 2. But what if I make it like this and make here large? Okay. So here let's go more. SM1. I have this now. 2, 3, 4 till 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, finally 12. Great. Now we are done with this part. Let's move to the mix and match. So here I have the mix and match. What if I make it like this? I don't like it, but we will try. Okay, so here I have here the column with the MD8 and column 6 and 4. You know, I don't like this part, but we have to test it. Okay, so here in the code I will add a margin for this part. So here style with a margin bottom 200 pixels, or I can add a border 10 pixels of solid of let's make it green. Okay, so here I got this, or I can make this just border bottom. Okay, so here I can write here dev with a class of container, class container, and dev with a class of row. And here I can make dev the class of column MD8. Okay, and here after this part I can make dev the class of col 6 and col MD4. Okay, here I can make I can copy this, paste it for 1 and 2. Now I have this and this. What if I delete one of these? Now you know the difference, right? Because of the medium, it will be the same. So what if I delete the column 6? Now we have this here, right? Okay. he is just telling you that the column 6 is equal to the column MD4. Okay? So here, the next thing we have here I have the column start at 50%. Okay. This is the same of this. Okay? The column 6 we have tested this before for column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12. But we will do it again. So here I will create another row. Okay. Div with a class of row. Div with a class of column 6. And again I will copy this and paste it here. Same, yes, the same. I will copy this paragraph and paste it for 1 and 2. Refresh. Here I have this divided into 2, right? So what if we make this into 7 and 7? We just have this now because now it is bigger column, which takes 100% of the container. So if it takes more than 100%, it will be down here. So let's make this into 5, just 5. Let's try to make it like this. Now you can see this here, right? Okay. Now we know the difference between this. We will try from the 1 till 12. 1, 2. You know, 2 is very long. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see this down here. 7, 8, 9. Okay. 10, 11, and finally 12. Now you know the difference between from just the column and column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and 12. Okay, so here after this part, I will try to make the video no longer than 10 minutes because I know you get tired when it is more than 10 minutes. Okay, so I think this is the last thing we will test in this. So here, but I do not think we will use it. We will use this in any design we are creating, but it is okay. So after this, I can make okay. This is a custom column bedding, but I don't like it. Div the class of container px large 5, div with a class of row and mx large and 5, and here div the class of column py3 and pxlg 5 and border and pg light. We will make dark and everything. So here I can copy this paragraph and paste it for this part, and I can copy all of that and paste it again. Great. Let's see what we have here when I refresh the page. Here I have this and this. You know, I don't like it very much, but it's okay. You can use it if you want. What if I make it? What if I make this into dark? Now we have the dark. Let's try to make success and all of that as we did before for the buttons for the Bootstrap 4. So PG success. Now it is green. What if we make it danger? And warning or the submit. Now I have all of that. Okay, so here we go. We are done with this video. In the next video we will move to the row columns, but I think we tested this before, but it is okay. We will test all of that. So good luck and have fun.